Now, in her remarks, Maria talked about the use of drones, and we're very fortunate to have with us an expert in that and to help us learn more about how electric companies are using drones in addressing wildfire and mitigating wildfire risks in other areas. I'm very happy to introduce Michael Dorr, with the senior drone pilot at Florida Power and Light. He's going to talk to us about FPL's innovative drone program, and he's brought a drone with him today. So, Michael, come on up. Thank you so much for being here. Or you get to do it from there.
I was just describing to my colleague at we can do it now.
So you looked at Z-pinches, huh?
So I was asked if I was going to fly a drone in here today, and here it is. Say hello to my friend Wally. If you've seen the movie, you kind of understand.
Right. It's about half a meter long, but if you can do it that size, you still need a really big...
So Florida Power and Light is on a continuous pursuit to provide America's value-driven energy grid to our customers. Electricity that is reliable, clean, and affordable. And part of that pursuit is deploying drones in good weather and bad to help improve our reliability. Our team name is FPL Air. Air stands for Aerial Intelligent Response.
We called them in those days a kink mode.
Hold on, I gotta catch my breath.
They still call that? That's right.
Our team, the FPL Air team, is responsible for all drone operations with NextEra Energy and Florida Power and Light.
More than thousands.
We provide operational
Well, we're still working
and scheduling assistance along with robust training and safety
We've got
procedures.
The current device right now that we're finishing building right now is intended to get to an NT tau that's like a scientific break-even.
Sorry,
next
a
year.
little nervous.
It's a scientific break-even. It's not wall plug engineering.
Drones are our ideal asset to take safely to take high-quality pictures and photos with minimizing environmental impacts.
The field is literally heating up quite a
And
bit.
of course, we couldn't do it without our partnership with the Federal Aviation Administration as we lay the framework for integrating large-scale drone operations. So we brought a few of our drones that we have in our toolbox, and I invite you to stop by, and I'd like to answer any questions you might have.
I was
Thank you.
designing a diagnostic that would have gone out either.